Gotta open my mind. I can't control what's never mine, but I'm hoping I'm fine. I look up to you for a sign. Gotta open my mind. Okay, this might be my 10th time trying to record the intro. So whatever I say here, we're just gonna keep. So I have mail. Today we're gonna be opening 5 packages, and I'm gonna be making a bunch of short form content for my social media pages. And that's going to be later this week. But in order to review the products, I got to open them first. And that's what we're doing right here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this exclusive content. We got 5 boxes and I'm super curious to see what's in there. I hope you guys are too. Let's start with this one just because it's the biggest envelope. So we're going to hop into it. When I'm doing short form content, it's so much easier to like open boxes easy. Sometimes it's not just one smooth rip though. This is the reality of opening boxes. Sick. So this is from SmallRig. It's a magic arm with a super clamp. So basically this is going to be a little mount for my little phone stand to sit on. I film everything with just my iPhone, by the way, if you guys were wondering. So now I could clamp it onto a desk or the top of a door. That's one shot that I really want to try out. So this should be really cool for just making some more cinematic stuff, getting some more interesting points of views. So I'm excited to try this guy out and see if it works. Package number 1. So, oh, my smiley face fell. Let's see what we got. So this is from Hoto. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I believe this is... yeah, it's an electric screwdriver set. This will definitely come in handy when I'm doing like assembly stuff. I can't peel this sticker for the life of me. Straight out of the box, we have a charging cable. That'll come in handy. And then this should be the thing. Ooh, I dropped it. Instruction manual. I like how clean the case looks. I don't know if you guys could see that. Basically, I'm assuming you charge it here and it comes with all these different bits and you just put that in here, and then there's just buttons to tighten or loosen. So when you're doing all this building, you don't have to keep turning. You just hold your hand there. Yo, this is gonna be sick. I'm excited to use this. You know we gotta switch up the angle. Okay. Let's see. Hello, I'm here. You've been expecting me. This one does have the company name on it. This is from my friends over at Deltahub. I'm very, very curious to see what this looks like and to try it out. This basically sticks onto my laptop, and if I'm ever working with an external hard drive, which is always, it doesn't have to dangle around. It just sticks to this magnetically, and boom. Ooh, one of the slow open boxes. I love when stuff does that. The packaging is sick on this. Interesting. So this is actually a lot smaller than I thought, which is dope. We're gonna open this one first. This one's heavy. Dog, this is gonna be fire. I can't wait to get some more overhead shots. I always struggle doing that with my current tripod setup. Whoa. Okay, so this is the phone mount. The light rotates and it's so compact. That one's super sick. That's gonna be so helpful with my videos. This package I'm super excited about is from a company called Spigen. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm pretty sure they just make a bunch of really dope accessories for like phones, laptops, and stuff like that. I think so far every package was hard to open for me. Aha. Ooh, okay, sick. So I've actually been looking into getting a new phone case, and now I don't have to go out and buy one, which is nice. We have an all black case, and what is this? Clear? Baby cat, you want to open up a package? Come here. Open these with me. Let's open this one first. Ooh, she hit me in the face. This is super clean, guys. Oh, yo, the texture. Fire. I can't believe my phone just ran out of storage right at the outro.
Anyway, time to do this again. Okay, just to recap, we got the fun magic arm. Super excited to get some new shots with this. And then we also opened up the electric screwdriver. Now I'm in the mood to build something. Don't know what, but I really just want to put something together. So maybe I'll look around the house, see if I can find anything to try that out on. And then, I'm super excited about this Deltahub hard drive holder. Definitely something I could use like literally every day. We got this big guy. This thing has some weight to it. I wish you guys could like feel how heavy this is, but this is going to be super sick just to experiment with some more shots again. And this is going to help me dial in my overhead shots, which I've been experimenting with a little bit, but with the tripod and mount I'm using for my phone, I can't really nail it just yet. So this is definitely going to help with that. And then come on, who doesn't love a phone case? Or 2 phone cases, that's even better. So thank you to all these companies for lacing me up with this stuff. And I'm super excited to put everything to use and make these review videos for short form content too. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm still getting my footwork with this whole YouTube thing, so bear with me for a little bit. And yeah, I have some really cool videos planned for the future. Okay, anyway, I'll catch you guys next time.